it better, imagine this is your AutoCAD workspace, and these are the points I've marked with a cross. When I invoke the line command, the cursor turns into a pencil like this. I click on the first point, and then continue clicking on the next points until we reach here. All these points are connected to the previous one, and so far, everything is fine. But when I want to draw this, the line is still connected to it. To exit the line command, I press Enter. It's like I'm cutting it with scissors. Now, I press Enter again to reactivate the last command. What was the last command? Line. So, I start clicking and drawing the lines again. Every time this happens, we do the same thing. To save the changes, just click on this icon. Play the first step of the game, then do file training number 1, that is, draw a line between these points with the line command to make this phrase. Next, upload practice on site. Let me talk about 2 issues. This setting of the mouse next to the cursor is not available in AutoCAD. This is a secondary software, which I use during training, and it shows you the activities I do with the mouse. Another issue is that, you may have a question, why does a small green square or circle appear when the cursor approaches some points? In AutoCAD software, there are a series of adjustable features that make drawing easier. For example, when the cursor approaches the beginning or end of a line, a green square appears, and the cursor, like a magnet, is attracted to that point and sticks to it. The necessary settings, which will make your drawing work easier in the file training, have been done. But for now, I'm just showing you the path to these settings. Make sure your practice file has the same settings. In the AutoCAD screen, click on this option, then click on this one. Then click on this one. If any of these items aren't checked, make sure to check them, and then close the window. You will be fully familiar with the settings and features that exist in the Snap window later. One more thing I just remembered. This icon is related to the mesh display. You can turn it on or off however you prefer.